Virtual reality has come a long way since the days of Nintendo's doomed Virtual Boy. Meta just unveiled its standalone Quest 3 headset. Sony continues to offer support for the PSVR 2, and there's plenty of PC-connected VR headsets available from HP, HTC, Vive and other companies. The industry's growing at a rapid pace and picking up new converts in the process. If you're an enthusiast, sifting through the sea of virtual reality accessories and add-ons can be tricky and overwhelming. That's where we come in. Here are the best VR accessories for folks tired of boring old actual reality.
Number 1. Meta Quest 2 Link Cable.
One of the nifty things about Meta's Quest headsets is that they're standalone, meaning they don't require a computer. You can connect to one if you want, though, which gives you access to PC-exclusive games like the incredible Half-Life, Alyx. There are all kinds of link cables out there, but we recommend Meta's first-party cable. You'll pay a bit more, but the build is solid and, at 16 feet long, it gives users plenty of maneuverability. These cables work with the entire Quest lineup, including the OG Quest, Quest 2, Quest 3 and Quest Pro.
Number 2. Casematics Hard Case.
Moving VR headsets from place to place can be frustrating, as anyone who's wrapped one up in t-shirts for a flight can attest to. You want a sturdy and durable case that doubles as a good spot to store the headset and controllers when not in use. Casematics' budget-friendly hard case works with the original Quest, Quest 2 and Quest 3 out of the box. But the interior's stuffed with easy-to-cut foam if your headset has a unique design. You can also do the same for accessories. The carrying handle is comfortable to hold and the hard-shell exterior is durable. The price is also right. This thing costs $35 and most first-party cases double that price, with Meta's proprietary cases running around $70. This VR headset case features a hard-shell exterior and customizable foam for your headset, controllers, cables, headphones and other accessories.
Number 3. Kiwi Design 10,000 mAh Battery Pack.
Ever since the original Quest hit the scene in 2019, standalone VR has gone from niche curiosity to a gigantic industry. The lack of cords drastically increases immersion and freedom of movement, but you do need a good battery to support that. Most modern standalone headsets get just 2 hours or so per charge. Kiwi Design's 10,000 mAh battery pack quadruples your playtime to between 8 and 10 hours. The price is right, and this battery pack isn't just for VR headsets. It should work on any gadget that has USB-C connection, including laptops, tablets and smartphones. It does, however, weigh just 250 grams and is designed to fasten to the top of the head strap. The battery itself is universal, but the fastener may not integrate with every headset out there. For those instances, get a dedicated battery strap. The unique hook design on the back of the battery securely attaches the battery pack to the top of Kiwi Design head strap, official Elite strap, and most other head straps. And you'll barely notice it on your head when playing.
Number 4. SteelSeries Arctis Nova 4.
Let's get something out of the way first. Any pair of wired headphones will work with any VR headset. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova 4 headphones aren't specifically designed for VR headsets, but they have plenty of features for enthusiasts. They have 360-degree spatial audio, a real game-changer for VR experiences, an AI-assisted microphone that reduces ambient noise and a fully customizable EQ, which comes in handy when streaming video or listening to music on a VR headset. These are also wireless headphones with Bluetooth that connect to just about everything. But you may still want to plug in directly when shuffling around a VR space to reduce lag. When going wireless, however, you'll get 36 hours of use per charge and a quick charge feature that juices up the headphones in just 15 minutes. The fully retractable Clearcast Gen 2 mic silences background noise to give you crystal clear comms, backed by Sonar Software's powerful AI algorithms.
Number 5. AMVR Fishing Rod.
Winter is here, and unless you own an auger to drill a hole into ice, you probably won't be fishing until the weather gets better. Luckily, there are some amazing VR fishing titles, like Real VR Fishing and Ultimate Fishing Simulator VR. If you want to get the most out of those, a fishing rod is a must. AMVR's is a solid option, with both spinning reel and bait casting configurations. The design also suits both right-handed and left-handed anglers, and boasts built-in bearings for a realistic feel as you pull in that big catch. The downside is, they're only available for the Quest 2. Since the rods have to be specifically tailored to match each controller, there unfortunately isn't a universal option. Oculus Quest 2 VR fishing rod handle features built-in silicone to keep the controllers from throwing out while playing games. VR fishing rod designed an extension grip on the handle, which not only brings you a more realistic fishing experience, but also relieves fatigue.